In this video, we compare DJI Air 3 Combo and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Air 3 Combo is a game changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 Combo captures stunning 48 megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 Combo offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. The DJI Air 3 Combo and the Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone both offer impressive features for aerial photography enthusiasts. The DJI Air 3 Combo, with its dual cameras, captures 48 megapixel images and records 4K 60 HDR videos, providing stunning visuals and rich details. It also boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing its safety features. This drone, however, is a bit heavier than the HS600, which might affect its portability. On the other hand, the HS600 drone, while capturing 4K video and 12 megapixel stills, stands out with its remarkable 56-minute flight time provided by its dual battery setup. This drone also has a longer control range, up to 10,000 feet, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission. Both drones are FAA Remote ID compliant, making them worry-free for users. However, it's worth noting that the DJI Air 3 Combo is more expensive than the HS600 drone, which could be a deciding factor for some consumers.